Oh, yep. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a good time. Hope you guys are making profit because I'm about to show you guys some more ways to maximize your profits, guys. Make money, guys. Make money. Make money. It's very important to make money. And of course, you need to understand that while you make this money trading the market, the forex market, you need to cash it and you know do something good for yourself. I'm gonna go take this trade right now. Another really good strategy here, guys. Another one. I'm gonna just take this trade. Sorry about that. I'm gonna just open some positions because I need to make this money, guys. I need to make this money, guys. I just noticed that the market has met my condition. It's powerful strategy that has been working for me over time. So I'm gonna make this money right before you guys. Right before you guys. So yeah, show you guys how this powerful strategy works. Show you how it works. Trust me, guys. I've missed you guys a lot. It's been like couple of days since I dropped the last video, and if you can detect from my voice, I've not been feeling too well. So I'm sorry about that, guys. I promise to be dropping these contents back to back, and that's what I will do. And trust me, guys, I will bring you the simplest of all of them. I have a lot of strategies that have been working for me over time. I've been making money trading the boom and crash market, and all of the strategies I have showed you guys already are still very valid. I just play with them. I just use any of them the way I want to, and I make money, and that's it, guys. Trust me, guys. You guys can be like this. You guys can make money from this, guys. So yep, we're in profit already. Wow, guys. Look at this. Look at this. We're in profit, guys. We're in plenty profit. So this strategy, I don't. You guys just need to be very um you guys need to not be greedy. Yeah, you're just gonna take a couple of candlesticks, like 5 candlesticks, and you have made a lot of profit, guys. Just make a lot of money and leave the market. So with this strategy, guys, trust me, you can never go wrong. You will never lose money using this strategy, but you just need to follow 3 simple rules, guys. 3 very simple rules, very easy. If you follow them, you're good. You're good, guys. So I'm going to show you and tell you all about these 3 rules, very simple rules. And before then, guys, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, because if you do this for me, it helps others see it and it helps the channel grow, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Please, I beg of you guys, subscribe to this channel. Let us all grow together, guys. So yep, I'm already on the 1 2 3. This is the 4th candlestick that just opened, and then I'll allow the feet to open and close, and then I'll leave the market, guys. Trust me, we profit a lot of it, guys. A lot of profit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this strategy works, guys. So it's very simple. The 3 simple rules for this strategy is: number one, you make sure we're using just 2 indicators here, guys. Just moving average, just 2 moving average, guys. So you're gonna elect for boom. You're going to watch, make sure the blue this blue line, the blue moving average here, make sure it is above the red. That's rule number one. And secondly, you make sure when the candlestick crosses the red, right, allow the candlestick to cross the red and close below the red, and then you take a sell, guys. This is for boom 1000. You take a sell, then you catch 5 candlesticks and you make a lot of profit. 1 2 3 4. This is the 5th one. So now as it closes, I'm gone. I close with that candlestick. I'm not taking any chances, guys. I'm closing with that candlesticks. How much have I made already? 120 bucks, guys. Look at that, guys. This is so powerful, guys. This is so powerful. This is one of the most powerful strategies I have used over time, and it works. It works, guys. Like I said, I'll take just 1 2 3 4 5 candlesticks and I'm out. Okay, so yeah, I'll quickly close my trade so I can show you how the strategy works. Yep. I'll quickly make this profit, close them with profits. I don't want more right now because I do, but I don't want to be greedy. So guys, yep, that's it, guys. So yeah, how does this work? I'm free now. I'm free now, guys. How does this work? So yeah, like I said, the first thing you watch out for is to see the blue line above. This is it. You see the blue line above. Make sure you meet these conditions before you enter your trade. You see the blue line above, you see the red line above, yeah, and then the candlestick closes below the red line, and you take a couple of candlesticks, guys. 1 2 3 4 5, and you're good. Don't be greedy, guys. Just that, you'll make a lot of money and you're out. Right, so rule number 1, make sure the blue line is above the red line for crash, for boom 1000, sorry, and then make sure the candlestick below the red line closes, another one opens before you enter your trade. That's rule number 2. And rule number 3, take just 3 to 4 to 5 candlesticks. 5 candlesticks and you're good, guys. 5 candlesticks and you're good. Don't be greedy. That's a very key rule. Don't be greedy. Take 5 candlesticks and leave the market, guys. So yep, I'll keep showing you guys. Don't rush this market, guys, and don't do anything if it doesn't meet these conditions. This is another one. The blue line comes above, the red line comes below, the candlestick closes below the red line, and then 1 2 3 4 5, guys. The spike can never catch you using this strategy, following the simple rules. This is it. Imagine this profit, guys. Imagine making too much profit from here. This is another one, mate. Yeah, blue line above, the red line below, the candlestick closes below the red line, and then all the way down, guys. But then follow rule number 3 very, very carefully. Catch just 5 candlesticks, 5 to 6 candlesticks. I want you to catch just 5 candlesticks, guys. I want you to be on the safe side. Catch 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market, guys. So this has worked over time. This is another very good example. This is it. Blue line above, red line below, a candlestick closes below the red line, and then boom, all the way down. So this is very simple and very effective, guys. Very simple and very effective. Very simple and very effective. Trust me, guys, I am bringing more of this. This is another one, mate. The blue line is above, right? And then the blue line is above, yeah, red line below, candlestick closes below the red line, and you ride all the way down. 5 candlesticks and you're good. I can show you more and more of this. It's very effective. I just made 125 bucks, 127 bucks just like that this morning, guys. I can do more if I want, but right now I'm just passionate about showing you guys this opportunity. Yeah, so I can make more later. For now, guys, let's see. Let me show you guys how this works. So you make this money with me, guys. Make the money. Festive season is here. Make the money and live life, guys. This is another one. Take all the way down. Take 5 candlesticks and leave the market as a boss, guys. You can never lose money again using this strategy. You can never lose money again using this strategy, guys. So follow it faithfully, follow it carefully, and we're good. It keeps working like that. I'm sure you've seen this example. Yeah, another one here, closes below, and boom, and it happens exactly the opposite way for crash 1000. Yeah, it happens exactly the opposite way for crash. So guys, when you're trading the crash, you do exactly the opposite. Yeah, you do exactly the opposite. This is it. We've already made it straight. We've already made it straight. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. The blue below, the red, make sure it's above. I'm going to take that again. I'm going to take that again. So yeah, I'm going to take that again. See, the blue line is below, the red line is above. Candlestick closes above the red line, and then you ride all the way up. You're buying this, you're not selling crash, you're buying crash all the way up, guys. You know, this is very powerful, guys. This is very powerful. This is very powerful, guys. This is very powerful. So don't, you can see it keeps happening. This is very powerful, guys. This is very powerful, guys. This is very powerful, guys. This is it. Another one here. The blue line below, the red line above it. Candlestick closes above the red line. You ride all the way up, but then take just 5 candlesticks. Just 5 candlesticks. Don't be greedy. I always say this, guys. Don't be greedy, guys. Take just 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market like a boss. You make a lot of money, guys. You make a lot of money, guys. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the setup. I'm going to show you the parameters, and yeah, I'll do that. But please, guys, I'm going to say this again. Do well to follow these 3 rules. Do not miss the rules. Do not rush the market. If you have something doing, you can't sit down to ensure the conditions are met before you enter. Please don't enter. Please don't enter. Follow these 3 rules and you can never lose money trading the boom and crash market. Okay, follow these 3 rules and you can never lose money trading the boom and crash market. Maximize your profits. Making money is easy if you follow the principles. Making money is easy if you follow the principles. So guys, I appreciate all the numbers I'm seeing on this channel. This channel is very brand new. I appreciate all the views, all the engagements. I appreciate everything, guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to this channel. It's very important to me that you subscribe to this channel, because that is what motivates me to keep creating these videos for you guys. I want you guys to make money, guys. I want you guys to make money. I want us to grow together. I want us to grow together, guys. So please, guys, do well to subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe, please. It's very important that you subscribe, guys. These are the profits I have made the past couple of days, and trust me, you guys can make money trading the forex market. Like me, guys, you can make money. You can make a lot of money. This trade has already gone. It's already gone. It's already gone. But I can make more. I can make more money when I'm back, guys. So I just needed to make sure that I show you guys how this works before I do anything else, guys. This is very simple. This is very simple, guys. This is trust me. I am passionate about bringing very really simple strategies so that even beginners can make money also, guys. Beginners can make money from this. Trust me, beginners can make money from this. Advanced traders can make money using these strategies, guys. So please do well, guys, to yup, that's a spike right there. Remember I said you catch only 5 candlesticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gone. Imagine being greedy and riding with the candlesticks all the way to this level. You'll be caught by this spike. You'll be caught by this spike. If you caught by this spike. So remember, don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy, guys. Just 5 candlesticks and you're out, guys. Trust me, you can never go wrong making money from this market. It's very easy. So yep, I'm going to show you guys the setup, the parameters. I'm going to show you how to set up this. Oh my god, sorry about that. I'm going to show you how to set this up. Yep, so we just need the moving averages. We just need this 2 indicators and we're good, guys. We don't need more. forget about what you're seeing here. We don't need that. We don't need that. So we're just gonna use these moving averages, and trust me, we're good with those. We're good with those. So how does it work? How do I set it up? This is it. This is it. First moving average, period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Yep, styles 2 pixel, change the color to blue. Yeah, and that's it. I'm done with that. You click, finish with that. Yeah, you just simply click done and move to the next one. Add another moving average. The second one is 50 period moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and then 2 pixel, right, red color. Always be careful with the settings, guys. Always be careful with the settings. It's very important that you follow the settings properly. Don't miss the settings, guys. I hope you've screenshot that in case you don't have the time set up already. You can screenshot this and set it up when you're ready, guys. So yep, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for everybody who has reached out, bringing one or two challenges. Everybody that I have helped sort out their challenges. Everybody that chat me up. I'm gonna put my my personal link to my WhatsApp number. So yeah, I want you guys to come if you have any challenges. Just chat me up. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to help everyone. I'm here to help everyone. And if you want to learn to trade the forex market, want to learn to trade the forex market, chat me up, guys. I'm open. I'll show you guys. I'll teach you guys how the forex market works. If you're a beginner, you want to learn how to analyze the forex market, you want to learn how to make money trading forex, I'm here to guide you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Let's up.